Is reaction management in liquid fuel reactors just a matter of managing criticality configuration of the core? What stops the entire loop from being critical? That's a great question. If you're asking questions like this, you probably should get a nuclear engineering degree because you'd really like it. That would be my expectation. So a liquid core, that's a molten salt reactor. And what happens with a molten salt reactor is that the reactivity is controlled by the fuel and the amount of poison that's in there. Now, the way that you keep the entire loop from being critical is that you have too much leakage in the pipes. So as it's coming into the core, it gets very large. It's a large volume in the core, and then it's being pumped out. It goes into a small volume. And what that means is that the neutrons that are fissioning through there, as they're leaking out, they're going to still try to fission, but you get too much leakage. So every time that you create a fission that's in this loop, you don't get enough fissions from that generation. There's just too much leakage, and that's easy to control. And so in order to allow the core to stay critical, you've got to keep the fuel high enough and the poisons low enough. And so you can control that by adding poison or adding fuel. And that's pretty much how it works. Now, the actual values that you have to have, that would require a much more technical engineering description. So I hope that helped answer your question. Great reactor physics question. Keep them coming. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.